Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your tablet. So the best decision that you can make in such case is to take your time and try to remember the password that worked for you the last time, because it will save you a lot of time, even if it takes a lot of time right now. But in case you really can't do this, then you should contact HONOR customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of this tablet to them, they will most likely help you out solving your problem and helping you regain access to your device without any data loss or files removal from it. And in case this option is unavailable for you too, then you can simply perform the factory reset operation, which will erase all data from your tablet, but will also help you regain access to your device for sure. And you can do this both locally and remotely. If you want to, you can, if you have Google account linked to your device and Find My Device feature enabled or basically not disabled, then you can log in to your Google account on Find Hub service by Google and select this tablet on the list, and then tap on the factory reset option to perform the hard reset operation, and after that set up a new account on your device. And you can do the same thing locally simply by accessing the recovery menu, and if you need help or assist in doing that, then you can check an entire video on our channel that explains the entire process of factory reset using recovery mode on this tablet step by step, so you don't get lost and don't do anything wrong in recovery mode. And if you need it, go ahead, check it out. For this video, that will be all. I hope that my advice helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.